Get up. Get up and start your day. I can. I can do it if I try. Pick up. Pick up your things from the floor. Behave yourself. Please behave yourself in class. Don't ask. Don't ask too many questions. How are you? How are you feeling today? What's going on? What's going on outside? Can I help you? Can I help you with your work? I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What's your name? What's your name, please? Where are you from? Where are you from originally? What time is it? Can you tell me what time it is? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the mistake. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if we're late. Do you understand? Do you understand the instructions? I don't understand. I don't understand the lesson. Please repeat that. Could you please repeat that? Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly so I can follow? Where is the bathroom? Can you tell me where the bathroom is? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's eat soon. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need some water. I am tired. I'm tired. I need to rest. What's the matter? What's the matter with him? Let's go. Let's go to the park. I need help. I need help with this project. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'll be back in a moment. Take a seat. Please take a seat over there. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Everything's fine. How long will it take? How long will it take to finish? Give me a minute. Give me a minute to think about it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it's true. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute to talk? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? You are right. You are right about the answer. Let me think. Let me think about your question. That's enough talking for now. That's enough. Do you know how to solve this? Do you know? I need to go home now. Watch out. Watch out for the car. Speak slowly. Please speak slowly so I can understand. Speak loudly. Speak loudly so everyone can hear you. Walk fast. Walk fast or we'll be late. Walk slowly. Walk slowly and enjoy the view. Stay away. Stay away from the danger zone. Let me go. Let me go. I need to leave. Come along. Come along with me to the store. Let it be. Let it be. We'll handle it later. See you? See you tomorrow at the meeting. Don't forget? Don't forget to bring your book. Good idea? That's a good idea for the project. What else? What else do we need to do? Nothing special. Nothing special happened today. Never mind. Never mind, I'll do it myself. Relax. Relax, everything will be okay. Come here. Come here and look at this. Let's do it. Let's do it now before it's too late. I agree. I agree with your point. Hurry up. Hurry up or we'll miss the bus. What's new? What's new with you these days? Good night. Good night. Sleep well. I don't care. I don't care about the outcome. I'm busy. I'm busy right now with my work. Call me. Call me when you're free. I forgot. I forgot to tell you the news. It's okay. It's okay, don't worry about it. What do you want? What do you want for lunch? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Be quiet. Be quiet, I'm trying to concentrate. I'm listening. I'm listening, go ahead and speak. I'm leaving. I'm leaving now. See you later. Be careful. Be careful with that fragile item. I'm bored. I'm bored, let's do something fun. Are you coming? Are you coming with us to the party? Please wait. Please wait a moment, I'll be back soon. What happened? What happened at the meeting today? I'm home. I'm home, finally. You're welcome. You're welcome for the help. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the office. I don't mind. I don't mind if we take a break. I'm sure. I'm sure we can finish it on time. Come quickly. Come quickly, we're about to start. I'm coming. I'm coming, wait for me. It's your turn. It's your turn to speak now. Tell me more. Tell me more about your trip. No problem. No problem, I'll handle it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, it's fragile. Can I come in? Can I come in and sit down? Shut the door. Shut the door when you leave. Turn on the light. Turn on the light, it's too dark. Turn off the light. Turn off the light when you leave. I need a break. I need a break from work. I like it. I like it, it's very nice. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, I need some space. Let's meet. Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. I'll be right back. I'll be right back after the call. Take your time. Take your time, no rush. Don't worry. Don't worry, everything's under control. I don't believe it. I don't believe it's really happening. It's up to you. It's up to you to decide. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who goes first. Have a nice day. Have a nice day at work. I'm lost. I'm lost. Can you give me directions? I need help. I need help with this assignment. Take a seat. Take a seat and make yourself comfortable.